Hi guys, it is ZTE Info, and today I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it on your ZTE Blade A73. To fix it, in the first step we must go back to the main menu of our smartphone where we tap on the settings and one of the last functions, system and update. There, date and time, and now we must switch on first function, set time automatically. After that all would work. We go back to the Google Chrome and try search something like hardware info, and it is working right now. You can surf in it. See you soon, bye!